Good morning, students. Today, again, this is the third class of index number. In my previous class, I discussed about the weighted. I discussed about the simple aggregate method in terms of price. Today, I'll discuss about simple aggregate method in terms of weight, as well as Lasperi, Passe, Edgeworth, Marshall, and Fisher's. I'll discuss the formulas, then I'll move on to doing the sums. But previously, in my previous class, I gave you one homework which talk about from the following data, construct an index for 2018, taking 2017, taking 2015 as the base year using simple aggregate method. 2018 is the current price and 2015 is the base year price, where price of rice has been given in terms of quintal, wheat has been given in terms of quintal, edible oil has been given in terms of price quintal, fish has been given in terms of quintal also, and potato in terms of quintal. And same in case of both the period, for base year period as well as for the current year period. So you have to consider the simple aggregate method of price, right? So how you can do it? Obviously, same type, solution, calculation of index number. Okay, items has been provided. Base year price you should consider P0, which is obviously rupees per quintal, and P1 is the current year price, rupees per quintal. Rice is given 3250. Wheat has been given 2525. Stay. Edible oil 90-100. You know what is edible oil? Which you cook for your food. That is basically the edible oil. 90/100. Fish 120-140. And potato, which is 35 and 40. If you make the total, summation P0, you can also write summation P1 for better understanding. Just add it up, this 302, you added up this 355 PM. So therefore I0n is equal to summation of PM by summation of P0 into 100, 355 by 302 into 100, it's 170.5. Okay, this is the answer, which I have provided you the sum. This is the solution of the sum. I hope it is visible, right? Right. Okay. So today I will discuss about the formulas regarding weighted aggregate method. I've talked about aggregate method, simple aggregate method in terms of price. Now weighted aggregate method, which again has been divided into 4 parts: Lansbury, Passey, Edgeworth-Marshall and Fishers. I will just discuss the formulas today, and obviously if time permits I will start with weighted aggregate method, and if further I will definitely proceed. Okay, so started up with weighted aggregate method. For weighted method, basically the formula provided weighted aggregate method I0n is equal to summation of PNW by summation of P0W into 100, where W is considered as weight, and you know Pn is the current year price and P0 is the base year price. Multiplied with weight, you will get the weighted aggregate method. This is the formula. Now coming to Lansbury, Laspeyres, Lansbury's formula I0n is equal to summation of Pn Q0 by summation of P0 Q0 into 100, means current year price with base year quantity total divided by base year price with base year quantities total multiplied by 100, we get Lansbury's formula. Coming to Passey's formula, Passey's formula. I hope you are jotting it down, the formula part. Yes, Passey's is I0n is equal to summation of Pn Qn by summation of P0 Qn into 100. Summation of Pn Qn means current year price with current year quantity total value divided by base year price with current year's quantities total value multiplied by 100, you will get the Lansbury and Passey. This is the Passey. Now coming to basically the Fisher's formula, I am putting over here Fisher's I0n is equal to root over summation of Pn Q0 by summation of P0 Q0 multiplied by summation of Pn Qn divided by summation of P0 Qn into 100, or you can write Lansbury into Passey root over 200. This is Fisher's. This is Fisher's ideal formula. Fisher's formula. Okay. Means Lansbury and Passey's combined, you are doing Fisher's, and Marshall, Edgeworth-Marshall or Marshall's Edgeworth formula. Marshall Edgeworth's formula, you can write I0n is equal to summation of PnQ0 by plus summation of PnQn divided by summation of P0Q0 plus summation of P0Qn into 100. Means only over there the plus, over here is minus, it's plus, over there is multiply, it's only the plus. Means summation of PnQ0 plus summation of PnQn divided by summation of P0Qn plus summation of this is the summation sign, plus summation of P0Qn into 100. This is the fourth formula including the weighted aggregate method. Please consider that. I will do with the weighted method sum today. Okay, so take the one sum of today's, which identifies that if I do the sum, the same sum which I have provided in your homework, only with the weight. How I can do that? Only with the weight. Suppose the weight is included. Take the sum as suppose from the following data construct an index of 2018 taking 2015 as a base year using weighted aggregate method. Try it's given all the items in quintals and quantities: rice, wheat, edible oil, fish, potato, and the weights has been put on. What are the weights? It's put on, suppose W is given 8, 6, 7, 5, 3. Okay. Or suppose 7, 3, 5. It will be better. Or you can do like that also, 7, 3, 5. This is the weight they have provided. Now how can do it? Suppose PNW, and one column will be required P0W. Okay. For PNW means 50 into 8, 400. 50 into 8 is 400. 25 into 6 is 150. 100 into 7 means 700. 140 into 3, 420. Yes, 420. And 40 into 5, 200. Okay. And P0W, 32 into 8 is 256. 25 into 6 is obviously 150. 90 into 7, 630 I guess. 120 into 3, 360. Yes, 360. And 35 into 5 means 175. You just add the total. PNW is equal to P0W is equal to, just add it up, 1870, and this one is 1571. If you are using the formula of weighted aggregate, I0n is equal to summation of PNW by summation of P0W into 100. It will be 1870 by 1571 into 100. It becomes 119.03. Okay. I'm doing the homework sums. I'm adding only the weight over here, and I can easily compute the weighted now. Okay, I can easily compute the weighted over here. Okay, I will provide you another sum for your weighted as a homework. I just considered the homework sums with that. I will provide you another sum for weighted in your homework. The same formula of the weighted aggregate method you have to follow. Otherwise everything remains the same. Okay. Okay. Thank you for this patient hearing. Have a nice day ahead. I will start doing few of the sums of these formulas in my next class onwards. Thank you. Thank you.